Hi, in this video we will learn about Laravel routes and how you can create different pages for your Laravel instance. Uh, at the moment we have a basic Laravel page system installation with the basic bootstrap authentication system, and the target of this page of this video is to learn how to create an about us page or how to create a contact us page for the Laravel. So what we need to do is to open the routes folder, and under route folders we have this web.php file. Under web.php file we create all routes that we need for our website. So to create a route, simply type route get about us, and here we have linked this to the app HTTP controller's home controller class about us. And let's open the home controller and create a public function about us. We can copy the name from here, go to the controller, press here, and here we can return whatever we would like to return. Simply let's return about us. Now go back to the web.php. Let's understand what we have just done. Here we are creating a new route that is of type get, and this is the endpoint that we have created about us. And about us, whenever a user opens the about us page on the website, he would be taken to app HTTP controllers home controller, and under home controller it would be taken to the method about us. Here we can see that it's currently taking us to the about us, what we have returned over here. And similarly, we can create another route for contact us. Let's just copy paste. Let's contact us, and let's change the method to contact us and the named URL to contact us. We will discuss about this naming part later in the videos where we would be discussing more about the forms. But as of now, what we have done is we have created a new route, contact us. And whenever somebody opens this contact us page, then he would be taken to the home controller and the method contact us. Let's go back over here. Let's type public function contact us and then simply return h1 contact us. Now if I go back here and instead of about us I type contact us, now it shows contact us. Now one thing that we could see over here is we might be requiring a lot of Now, one more thing that we need to see is at this particular moment when I open this contact us page, and if I'm onto the website, I'll go to the home, log out, and then when I try to open the about us page, it is redirecting me to the login page. So it's asking me to log in first before I go to that particular thing. And this is because under the home controller, we have under the construct method, we have called this middleware auth. So which says that whenever somebody wants to open any function, any route under this controller, he first needs to be logged in. If I just comment this middleware and go back and then paste the about us, then I can see the page is working fine even when the user is not logged in. So in case if I want the user to be logged in to the about us page, I can enable this middleware. So here, now if I again, sorry, try and open the About Us page, it will take me to the login page. And once I'm logged in, it is now taking me to the About Us page. So we can also create a different controller page controller. Now it says a page controller has been created. And under this page controller, we can create different methods as well. Like I can create a page for, we have this about us page and the contact us page created. We can create another page for the terms. And here I can return terms and conditions. Simply save it, go back to the web.php, and here I can simply copy this route. Oops. And then paste again. Change the root to terms. The home controller would be changed to page controller and the class would be terms and the named route would be terms as well. Now if I save this, go back to the page controller, here we have this method terms. Go to the web.php just to recheck the URL over here is terms and we are taking it to the page controller and the method is terms. Now go back to the main command. Let's open the page and type terms. Now it takes us to the terms and conditions page. That is actually coming from the page controller and not from the home controller. So what you guys can do is keep all the authenticated routes under the home controller and all the pages that you want the user to see even without logging in, you can keep all those pages to the page controller as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video, we will be discussing more about the routes.